3 creative shelving ideas that will optimize limited space you have. 1. A DIY Scandinavian style nightstand. If your goal is to bring more neutral colours into the flow of your room, you may want to try a Scandinavian style nightstand. Using 10 pieces of unfinished, non-stained wood, a beautiful and simple creation can be brought to life. The wood components include a top sized appropriately at 14 by 18 inches, along with a bottom 13.25 inches by 18 inches. With a front and back measuring 6.75 by 16.5 inches, the dimensions will create a desk-looking nightstand that has the ideal width for one drawer. The length houses a lamp and clock without looking cluttered or distracting. 2. Moba large shelving system. If you do not have the skills and patience with a set of tools and would prefer to keep your large living areas organized, the Moba large shelving format is prudent. Capable of taking up an entire wall, the system utilizes wooden wedges to keep shelves from moving. Rounded steel uprights connected to the shelves in seconds by being placed through the pre-drilled holes. Black stained ash wood and oiled oak offer 2 diverse pallets to blend into any setting. The Moba approach is the most painless experience possible, start to finish, to consolidate messy rooms fluidly, without brackets, glues and other frustrating elements that slow you down. 3. Flexible shelving system from Benjamin Hubert. Differing from the Moba shelving system is the Benjamin Hubert inspired flexible alternative known as Shift. The idea behind its foundation is derived from retail outlets, who are in frequent need of swapping out their displays. The genius of the setup is that magnetic panels are mounted to the wall, with shelves having the capability to be moved at the drop of a hat. This process can be done at home by lining each shelf with a magnet on the bracket that will hold it in place on the panels. With both the base and shelf boards connecting by these magnets, changing the style and appearance of the furniture can be accomplished in seconds. Next, I'm going to give you 3 creative bedroom ideas for a small bedroom. Please subscribe to keep up with new updates if this channel is new to you. And until that time, thanks for watching.